What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how you can update your Windows 11 drivers. So the first thing, click on the Windows icon and then settings. After that, go ahead and click Windows Update and check if there is any new updates for your Windows 11 system. So I'm gonna click check for updates and wait. And as you guys can see, there is a few updates that are installing right now. We're gonna wait and see. So now it's completed. We're gonna go ahead and search device manager, and we will check if we do have any yellow triangles on our devices. So as you guys can see here, we need to update the drivers for these devices. So click update driver, search automatically for drivers, click again, we're gonna check other drivers. Everything looks good here. It seems like everything is up to date. So now we're gonna go to the graphic, to the GeForce graphic, and see if we do have any updates. So if you wanna update your graphic drivers, go to GeForce Experience and look for drivers. Click open up drivers and then click check for updates. And as you guys can see, we do have a few new drivers here. We're gonna click download and wait. Now I am going to click Express Installation to install the new drivers. Click yes. And we're gonna wait again. As you guys can see, the new graphic driver is installed. So now we're gonna close. And that's it for this video. So if you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.